If you've ever been on crutches, even for just a week, you know. The pain isn't in your foot. It's in your shoulders, your armpits, your wrists. You can't carry anything. You can't cook. You can't move around your own home without thinking about every single step. After watching this video, you're going to say goodbye to all of that. Today we're looking at the Drive Nitro Glide Knee Walker, an honest look at what it does, who it's built for, and at the very end, one thing about this knee walker that most people never realize until someone shows them. Link at Home Healthcare Shop is in the description. Let's get into it. Let's start with what a knee walker actually is, and why it changes recovery. A knee walker is exactly what it sounds like. Instead of putting weight on your injured foot, you rest your lower leg on a padded platform and push yourself forward with your good leg. Your foot never touches the ground. Your arms carry nothing. The Nitro Glide does this with 4 wheels, a wide padded knee platform, and a steerable front end. So you can actually turn corners, navigate hallways, and move through a store without struggling. Compared to crutches, no shoulder strain, no armpit pressure, no losing your balance on a slippery floor. You stay upright, move at a normal pace, and your hands are free the entire time. This is what getting around during recovery actually feels like when equipment is designed properly. Here's how the Nitro Glide is built, and what makes it adjust to your body. Everything on the Nitro Glide adjusts without tools. The handle height goes from 30 to 39 inches, a range that fits most adults from around 5 feet to over 6 feet tall. The knee pad height adjusts from 17 to 23 inches to match your leg length and keep your injured leg at the right angle for healing. The knee pad itself is offset and reversible. It works the same whether your left or right leg is injured. The front axle adjusts across 3 widths, 16, 18, or 20 inches. Narrower for tight indoor spaces like bathroom doorways, wider for outdoor stability on uneven ground. Dual rear handbrakes stop you smoothly and lock as a parking brake. Cables run inside the frame, nothing exposed. A removable basket is included for your phone, keys, or whatever you need close by. Aluminum frame. Holds up to 350 pounds. Folds flat for the car. Lifetime limited warranty. Blue or red. Hit subscribe if this is helpful. Link is in the description. Before you order, a few honest things worth knowing. A few honest things to know. The Nitro Glide is designed for below-the-knee injuries, foot, ankle, and lower leg. If your injury is above the knee, this isn't the right device. Talk to your doctor about what's appropriate for your situation. It weighs 23 pounds. Some knee walkers are lighter, but they typically hold less weight and feel less stable. The trade-off here is capacity and a solid, confidence-inspiring frame. It's not built for stairs. For single steps or small thresholds, most users manage, but a full staircase requires a different solution. Always check with your doctor or physical therapist before switching from crutches to a knee walker during recovery. If you're still here, great, because what's coming next is the thing most people never find out about a knee walker until someone tells them. And it goes right back to the problem I mentioned at the very start. Now, the thing I saved for the end. And this is the one that changes how you'll actually live with this during recovery. The parking brake doesn't just stop you from rolling, it locks the Nitro Glide completely still, so you can stand at it with both hands free. That means you can stand at the kitchen counter and make a meal. Stand at the bathroom sink and brush your teeth properly. Stand in front of the fridge and actually see what's in it. Most people think a knee walker is only for moving. The Nitro Glide is also a standing support. Lock it, lean on it, use your hands, and get your life back while your foot heals. Drive Nitro Glide Knee Walker. Available at Home Healthcare Shop, or link is in the description below. Questions about sizing or whether this is right for your recovery? Call 1-800-935-0538 or visit homehealthcareshop.com. Hit like and subscribe if this helped. Thanks for watching.